Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about one topic, that is city crash. In this basically we are talking about 20 percentage error. Each and every story is basically which I am telling, that is basically connecting to the education error only basically. In this basically one of the person told that the Vadodara city is giving problem to Sunil R. Nair. So one of the universe person told that basically what actually problem they are giving. They are basically not giving job to Sunil R. Nair. Each and every software company basically are basically telling that basically we are not going to give you job basically. So this basically words they are using. So one of the person told that basically what the universe group basically told, can I do some magical thing basically in Vadodara city? Then he told that what is that magical thing basically? Then one of the person told that basically uh, shown one mobile basically, shown one mobile, this is mobile basically, this is Vadodara city, assume basically, and this is surround basically it's earth planet. He told that basically lift, can I do this basically like this? The entire land basically of Vadodara city flip basically, and the Vadodara city will not able to understand also basically what actually happened basically. Flipping basically, flipping means basically one of the person told that this happens basically, this happens basically. The Vadodara city not only basically but earth planet, entire earth planet basically sometime flipping happens basically. Then one of the person told that basically when basically this happens here basically, when actually this happens. One of the person literally asked the question basically, and how basically the earth planet basically is not able to track that basically. Flipping means one of the person told that this type of things basically happen, that flipping is this basically, this is Vadodara city, or basically assume this is earth, and literally basically this happens, and within fraction of second basically this happens, and nobody basically can able to track that basically. So one of the person told that basically how basically this satellite groups do basically. Then one of the person told that basically this basically they do basically periodically, but when basically they do na basically, that basically never has been tracked basically by the NASA and ISRO also basically. And then one of the person told that this is that magic basically. Yes, this is that magic basically. But people basically never able to track that basically, that this magic has happened basically. Few people have doubt basically that lots of things basically are happening to track basically. They, for example, Mumbai basically have some doubt basically that lots of magical things are basically happening in the earth planet. So to track that basically NASA ISRO only basically started the 24-hour service. So yeah, Mumbai basically never sleeps basically. Mumbai never sleeps. One basically groups do duty in night, daytime. One basically do duty in night time basically. So they both basically do duty in their time just to track basically which type of incidents basically is happening in the city basically, and they basically never ignores any of the incidents basically. Never ignores basically. So the flipping incidents basically, the Mumbai city basically might have tracked basically long before basically. They might have tracked that basically something basically happening basically, something basically is happening like that basically. For example, one of the person told that basically the earth planet basically gets breaks also basically. Braking system basically also happens basically. That also basically happens basically, but that was not able to track basically. That was basically never able to track basically. So one of the person told that basically that was never able to track. Yes, basically that was never able to track basically. So one of the person told that basically incidents basically happens, right basically. So how fast basically this happens, right basically. If flipping is happening basically, right basically, flipping is happening basically, then how fast basically this happens here basically. That even the person, the people basically who are staying in city, earth planet basically, they were also basically never able to track that basically. Then he told that yes, you are correct here basically. But that happens basically. When that happens, then that basically need to check basically. So that basically NASA ISRO is basically told that basically that's why basically we are tracking each and everything basically. In 24 hours basically we had started the stuff basically in Mumbai city basically. That's why basically we are tracking each and every stuff basically. So that's basically Mumbai city. They have basically money, so basically they can track each and everything basically. There basically big businessmen basically are staying, so they basically tracks very easily basically. They basically tracks very easily each and every stuff basically. Each and every stuff basically they track very easily basically. So one of the person told that in Mumbai city and in Vadodara city, flip basically has happened ever basically. Flipping system basically. Flipping means like this basically. For example, mobile is like this, and like this basically happens. Or basically, I will take like this basically. This is mobile and this is Earth planet, or basically this is Mumbai. This type of thing basically happens. So one of the person told that, are you sure basically this type of thing happens basically in Mumbai city and basically in Vadodara city? Then he told that basically might be happening basically, but because break basically has happened, so they basically periodically checks the break also basically. So in this basically the lockdown basically this also basically was checked mostly basically. The people basically was at the home basically that time basically. They have checked that also basically. How many parts basically the Earth planet has been divided, and how many parts basically the Earth planet has been divided, that is 11 parts basically. So one of the person told that basically why basically flipping basically has done the basically. So one of the person told that basically flipping has done reason is, if suddenly basically anything happens from the Vadodara city, assume that basically, so they will immediately breaks the Vadodara city and separates from the world basically. If anything happens from the Mumbai city, they immediately change the Mumbai city land basically from the world basically. That basically happens from the land basically. That basically happens from the land basically. So this basically mostly basically never experimented. Reason in Vadodara city and Mumbai city, this type of incidents has never happened basically. Big level incidents which basically impact to the entire universe, that basically has never happened. This was told by one of the person basically of the NASA and ISRO. So one of the person told that basically, so which type of big incident basically can happen basically. For example, one person is going to the road basically, and something happened to him basically, but he basically never able to track basically what actually happened in that 4 to 5 minutes basically. But after when he calculated his 24 hours, that time basically he basically got that basically yes something happened in this 2-3 minutes basically. In this 2-3 minutes basically somebody has taken his blood basically from the body. When he basically calculated each and everything basically. So this type of things basically happens in Vadodara city and in Mumbai city also. This type of things basically happens. So one of the person is telling that basically why basically this type of things basically are happening here basically. Why this Gujaratis and Marathis are doing this type of stuff basically. Why they are taking the blood cells of the particular person and the person is not supposed to know also basically. Why they are doing this basically, this type of activities. Gujarati caste basically started from Germany. Germany basically created the Gujarati caste basically. So why these Gujaratis basically are doing this type of stuff basically. One of the person basically asked a Gujarati basically. So they told that basically हमारी दादागिरी है भाई, हम भी कुछ भी करेंगे. This was the word basically which was told by one of the Gujarati person. So he was actually telling that basically this is Gujarat and this is Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is of Marathis and Gujarat is of Gujaratis. So we can do anything basically. This was actually told by one of the person basically. That basically might be true or no. That basically need to check basically how, that need to check basically through the website, through the satellite basically, how many people bloods has been taken in from Mumbai city and from Vadodara city. In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.